This is the RAPIQUE mouse, Bluetooth 1, Bluetooth 2, and USB. A 2.4 gigahertz mouse for Macintosh and Windows. What we're going to show you is how the mouse operates. It's got 3 dB speeds, slow, medium, and fast. It is a rechargeable mouse via USB cable. What we get inside the package, a nice close-up look. Open the box up via the top. You have everything nicely wrapped in plastic. You have your USB cable, it's USB-C to A, and an instruction guide on how to set your mouse up. Taking out the protective plastic and the protective cover, the mouse comes in a number of colors. Going over the mouse, you have a yellow spin wheel with clear plastic, the DPI button, 3 speeds. On the side, your forward and back button. On the front, USB-C charging port. Your pair, on and off, and the dongle for USB 2.4 gigahertz. Over here, you have 3 indicators of what you're choosing for the mouse. Bluetooth 1, Bluetooth 2, etc., etc. To charge the mouse, simply align the cable. The mouse lights up in a nice blue soft color. Please remember to peel all stickers off of the mouse. You may use the mouse with the wire or without the wire. To turn the mouse on is simply hitting the on and off switch. The optical light comes on. 2.4 gigahertz is shown. To set the mouse up to a computer, simply press on the button. Long press till it flickers. Allow Bluetooth to connect. As the mouse is flickering on top as well. If no connection is made, simply switch to the next Bluetooth and allow it to connect. BT mouse 1, when it's on the green, simply press Bluetooth pair request, pair, and we are ready to use our mouse. We could go over to an application, like the date. We could swipe the mouse and use it any way we want. To use the mouse for a second machine, we're going to turn the mouse on and we're going to set up Bluetooth 2, Bluetooth 1, so forth, and simply press on to the button, have it blink, add the device, connect, automatically shows the mouse is connected in a matter of seconds. So we're able to minimize the screen. We're able to come into the screen and go into different ways of the mouse and so forth. We removed the mouse so we can show you how to hook up via the 2.4 dongle by finding a port, plugging correctly into your computer, changing to the Bluetooth 1, Bluetooth 2, new mouse is connecting, and we are connected. We're able to scroll up and down, back out, all through the mouse, and go forward and so forth. We have a mouse speed, as you can see, it goes across the screen by hitting the DPI. 3 speeds: slow, medium, fast. Check online for further details about the mouse, the 2.4 gigahertz, the models they come in, the colors. It has a sleep mode, a standby mode, it's rechargeable. It's a nice sized mouse, got the left and right buttons, and a scroll wheel, ergonomic. Charging the mouse takes a couple of hours. You could use it with the cable or without the cable. You could change the mouse from one machine to the other and use the dongle. I hope this product is something that you are looking for in your computer needs. Thank you for viewing.